Hi everyone, welcome to Sports Supplements, HFN 106. This course is a 1-credit class that it teaches you about sport nutrition, sport supplements, both the good and the bad, and then the really ugly towards the end of the semester. In the beginning of this course, for weeks 1 and 2, we're going to be talking about food as being the ultimate drug in terms of sport supplements. So between now and the 8th of February, you're going to be doing the following. You want to introduce yourself, which I see some of you have done already, so thanks so much. Take a look at the syllabus and then hop right into topic 1. So in topic 1, as you can see, you have a little introduction to sport nutrition video. The ACSM nutrition guidelines, they're pretty dense, but just hop in, take a look at them, and save them for your future health fitness career. They're updated every few years, and they are the gold standards of sport nutrition. There's also a little bit of of reading on the origins and history of sport nutrition. There's a discussion topic that just asks you to talk about what you learned from the reading and what you learned from the video, and then there's a reflection. So this is pretty similar for all of our different topics that open every few weeks. Each week, each topic, you're going to be required to read some stuff, reflect on some stuff, and discuss some stuff. And so, this is a 1-credit class, so the workload is a little bit lower, but you really need to make sure that you're logging in, at least a couple times a week and just responding, discussing, engaging in this class. And then we'll all have a really great time, and this will be a huge success. So feel free to reach out anytime you have a question. I really look forward to working with all of you, and just jump right into topic 1. All right, look forward to working with everyone this semester. Have a great day.